Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see how we can enable and use the Google Chrome flags option. So here's what you can do. First of all, just open up your Chrome browser. And once it is open, what you will need to do is just right here, Chrome, followed with a colon sign, then put a double / and just right here, flags, and hit enter. From here, you want to select any kind of flag that you want to modify here. So before making any changes, you need to make sure that you already know about that stuff. Only then make the changes, because these are the backend settings of the Chrome browser. So if you want to search for some flags, as you can see, there are a lot of lists. So if you want to search for a specific one, you can search it from here. Now from here, you can make the changes to any of them. For example, if you want to enable it, disable it, or whatever you want, just make sure that you already know about this stuff and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can access the flags option in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.